Hello friends, this is my first YouTube video. Hopefully you will all like it and please subscribe my channel too. Today I will tell you about some tips on making a project on money and credit. First of all comes details. In details you can include name, class, section, roll number, subject and the heading of your project, money and credit. You can also include the name of your teacher whom you are submitting to. Then comes the index in which you will write about all the things you are mentioning in your project. After that comes the acknowledgement in which you will say thanks to all those who had helped you in making your project. For example, you can add the name of my site also. Then comes the introduction of money and credit, in which you will give a brief definition of money as well as of credit. You can also paste some pictures of Indian currency in order to make your project more presentable. After that, you have to give a heading on money, in which you can write about what is money and what are its uses. You can also paste some pictures of demonetization effect in order to make your project more presentable. After that, you will write a heading of modern forms of money, in which you can include currency and deposit with banks. You can also paste some pictures regarding ancient coins. After a long introduction of money, we can come to credit. First of all, we will write about the sources of credit. Number one, formal sources. Number second, informal sources. Informal sources, we will talk about banks and cooperatives, as well as in informal sources, we will talk about money lenders and traders. After a brief introduction of credit, you will come to the heading why cheap and affordable credit is crucial for countries' development. In this, you can write what I have written as well. You can also paste some pictures of Indian banks. Then you will talk about vital and positive role of credit in our economy. At the last, you will summarize what you have written in your project under the heading of conclusion. This is how you can make a easy and beautiful project on money and credit. Thanks for watching my videos and please keep watching my upcoming videos. Thank you.